Eric Burgess here, and we have been given the following data. So the following teachers teach at a local college, and these are the teachers. We have math, English, and biology teachers, and some of the teachers are men, and some of the teachers are women. It says to choose one at random. What is the probability, A, that they are a math teacher, and B, that they are a biology teacher or a man? So, all right, let's go ahead, let's tackle A. Now, this is just like the other problems that we were doing in that all we need to do is fill in the probabilities. So, right, probabilities have a sample space on the bottom and a condition on the top. So our condition for part A is that they're a math teacher. So math teacher is top. And the bottom is the sample space. Well, this is all the teachers. All the teachers. This is everyone. People who are math teachers and people who are not math teachers. And so in this case, all we need to do, I'm going to start writing in black now, is for the math, well, let's see here. We've got 10 math teachers. Oh, well, let's scroll down here a bit. We've got 10 math teachers here and 7 math teachers here. So that is a total of 17 math teachers. So we put 17 right here. Now the bottom is all the teachers. So that's just going to be everyone added all together. So that, let's turn on our calculator, is going to be 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 is just 7. And so we do that. We get 41 teachers in total. So there are 41. So this would be the probability that it's a math teacher that gets selected. Now for part B, our sample space is still the same. It's still all the teachers, right? But this time our condition is changed, that they are a biology teacher or a man. And so the bottom number is still 41. It's still all the teachers put together. But the top part now is bio or a man. So or, remember, or has two cases. There is the exclusive or, where the two groups do not overlap, mutually exclusive. Or there is the case where they are not mutually exclusive and they can overlap. So I think drawing some circles can really help make this clear. So first, we have that they are a biology teacher. And so here's biology. Here are all the biology teachers. We can circle them. Oh, well, geez, that didn't work out very great. Okay, it's happy with that. So there's our biology teachers. Now, we also have that the teacher is a man. And so that would be these up here, right? These are all the men teachers. You see there is one spot in particular we highlighted twice. So we just want to make sure that we don't count this one twice because it's going to make it look like there's more of that particular kind of teacher than there really are. And so we could actually write this out real formally, but the easy way to do it is to just write that we have 10 plus 7 plus 3. That takes care of the men. And then for the biology, well, we just don't count the 3 again. Because if we do, that's like we had twice as many of those teachers. So all we do is we add 4. And this will produce the probability. Now there's a more formal way of writing this that some teachers want you to do. They want you to write the probability that they're a man. And so that would be 10 plus 7 plus 3 over 41. Or means to add. So we add, whoops, I wrote 47 over 41. And then we have the probability that they're a biology teacher. Well, that's 3 plus 4. And then you subtract off the probability that they're a biology teacher and a man. And that would be the 3. So there's that minus 3 that we just decided not to count in the first place. And it winds up producing this same equation. And this follows directly from the probability of A or B. If you remember the rule, is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. And that's just so that we don't count the overlapping area twice. All right, so let's pop this in our calculator. So I'm going to type a fraction. I'm just going to go to the green key and then F1 to get to the fractions. And the top's going to be 10 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. and the bottom is going to be 41. And we get 24 over 41. 24 over 41 is our answer. Now you could turn this into a decimal. For example, we can go to alpha y equals the F1 key. That's why we hit the green. And they've got a fraction to decimal here. So we could actually go fraction to decimal. And we could get a probability in terms of a number. So we could write it's approximately a 59% chance. So we could say it's approximately a 0.59 chance or a 59% chance approximately, if we round to 2 decimal places. And so that is how you would do some of these problems. So these are called conditional probability. And as long as you understand this exclusive OR move, you should have a pretty good handle on what's going on here. If you have any questions about this, let me know. If you're a Citrus College student, definitely stop by online tutoring. We're there to help you out, and we'll see you in the next problem.